Of our stores that are running for little over 10 hours a day on an average, in those stores, Fresh and Smart stores, the walk-ins, customer walk-ins and number of bills are at about half the normal rates. But people who are shopping more than double. So when you combine these two together in stores that are running, we are yet growing. And that's a good sign as a first point we have been observing, and it continues through the week, through the third week, fourth week, fifth week of the lockdown. So here are some of our forward-looking thoughts on which we've already started working. Supermarket customers in India are typically from what's called higher LSMs, tad more upscale. Therefore, even if going forward there is some income stress or economic strain on the family, we don't think it'll impact their food or grocery supermarket behavior. Indeed, some reduction of say a holiday travel or a multiplex trip with a tub of expensive popcorn or going out to restaurants or the salon visits, when they are cut, they will make economic room for lots of small joys and positive things that supermarkets sell. Alfonso mangoes, chocolates, pasta, do-it-yourself face masks, all of this will actually increase because these are the positive things that people will bring back home. We are already seeing it.
It's no more eating just your dal chawal dahi at home. It's about, we've been making pizzas and pastas and stir fries and Thai food. And this whole concept of ordering in, which we're not able to do right now, we don't even miss that anymore. Because the amount of fun that we all are having in the house with just cooking and eating together, because of all the variety that's available here, is absolutely awesome.
Those of us who are in the business of in-home consumption, therefore, are likely to be on the gain side of this change. This is important. It is important not just to realize, but also to practice and see. And therefore, in the last couple of weeks, we have started market testing some of these hypotheses. 10 days back, we said we'll take a bet on Alfonso mangoes. And from that day till now, as we speak, every single day, we have been selling more Alfonso mangoes than the previous day. In the city of Mumbai, with about a third of our stores impacted in one way or the other, we are yet selling more Alfonso mangoes than we were selling last year. Chocolates, namkeens, noodles are all, we never have enough of them. Biscuits of all kinds, we never have enough of them. And baking needs, fresh cream, baking chocolates, they're not growing. They're skyrocketing. We are talking to some of you to start production and bring it to Supermarket India because that's a change in behavior. And we will in a minute see how and why this is what is happening.
My wife has been making sambars from an old recipe given by my mother during our marriage days, and that has been a revelation for us. My daughter, who's been baking since she was 9, has been baking almost every day. And finally, Bourbon biscuit, which I used to eat as a child or a young teenager, which I started relishing now because I've been snacking a lot more. So with filter coffee, Bourbon biscuits is a real hit. You must try that.
Remember I said we are in the in-home consumption business. And if I'm in the in-home consumption business, what's my biggest competition? Out-of-home consumption. And out-of-home consumption opportunities are all shut. When that happens, home food flowers into a much deeper and bigger role. People are cooking together. Cuisines that are being dished out from supermarket India homes have become more varied because food is now a vehicle of bonding in the family, of communication, of celebration, of keeping the positivity going under the circumstances. Our customers tell us that barring the initial few days, there has been no simplification in their kitchens. Indeed, the opposite. And when that happens, when people cook more at home, what you and I call premiumization of categories is automatic. The oil that I cook with at home is always more premium compared to the oil that I consume when I'm eating out. So better quality ingredients, stronger brands are suddenly seeing an uplift in terms of customer interest. The question to ask ourselves in our teams, our extended teams, are we geared up for it? Are we playing for the consumption upside in our own same consumer homes, not new consumer homes? The same consumer homes will be buying more from my supermarkets and will be buying more of your brands that they're already loyal to. That's an upside that we need to both tune in and play for. And remember, I said number of bills are half. It means she's coming less often to stores. When she's coming less often, when you and I have lower points of interaction with her, then when she's coming, you got to get her attention. You got to make sure that you go into the shopping trolley, your presentation and the deal of the day is interesting enough so that you don't lose out. Because she's going to be coming back to buy more, maybe 2 or 3 weeks later. That's again a thing which requires tuning in, because you know to get her attention every time she comes to shop. You know, in the last couple of weeks, we've also started validating and testing what we've always taken for granted. The supermarket vocabulary of getting customers' attention and making them buy more. The flow stacks, the power shelves, the point of purchase signage language, the attractive deals. In a calibrated manner, we started putting it back in our stores. Because we wanted to know how they work even now and how they need to be tuned in a little bit if required. And I'm very happy to report. First we were relieved, but now I'm happy to report that that toolkit is working. Customers indeed like it when we signal normalcy devices to them. The SKUs on which, the items on which we trigger the supermarket vocabulary bump up points are responding almost immediately within a day. What this tells you is in supermarket India, we don't have to relearn and unlearn most of the things that we have both jointly perfected over a period of time. In all things that are changing, isn't it a good thing that this is now lab tested to be working? we will be hand holding your brands and indeed all brands in your category to gear up and to get back into rhythm on this parameter. I think with the overall upside that I spoke about, actually it might surprise us that the ROI from our efforts on this theatre called Supermarket India would actually be much higher than before, because all consumption, all in-home consumption is rising.